What up, YouTube? I'm back. I got another divergence video for you. I went back to back to back to back this week. So I took 4 positive days in a row and I'm on the street. So I'm going to get right into the video and break it down. All right, so we're going to start off here on the NQ. Just the 15-minute time frame. First thing I want to show you is the session break. Every day the futures markets close at 5 o'clock and they open back up at 6 o'clock. So this was technically the new trading. This is the very beginning of the new trading day. This vertical line right here. And then this was the previous day's start. But the Asian session always starts off the new trading day. And this was what the Asian session did. It consolidated, but the consolidation made a low, the lowest price that the consolidation made, that was like the lowest price for the day at the time. Then at this candle right here, which is 1 a.m., this was right before the London session kill zone. So the London session opened up and then the London session decided to make lower prices than the Asian session did. So that's very important when it comes to like paying attention to session highs and session lows. So at the very same time, this is the 1 o'clock candle. The 1 o'clock candle on the ES, this is the ES 15-minute chart. The ES didn't deliver prices lower than the Asian session. So this is the Asian session low right here with this arrow. The session break is right here also with the vertical line, right? So this candle was the first candle for the new trading day, and that was in like Asia. That's the Asian session. They made a low price that basically was the low price for the whole Asian session. When the when the NQ made lower prices, the ES didn't. And that's important. So this I wrote, these are the lowest prices for the Asian session, which formed at 6 p.m. when the market opened back up. All right, so now the next thing that happened, this is the NQ on the 15-minute time frame. These prices right here I marked out. These are the high prices from yesterday. How are they the high prices from yesterday? Because this session break, this was at 6 o'clock today. Oh, well, 6 o'clock yesterday. This was the new trading day that started at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Before that, these were the highest prices for the previous trading day. So the previous trading day or the previous session, these were the highest prices. And on the NQ, we delivered price above yesterday's previous session highs at 3:15 a.m. So at 3:15, that's what happened. Pay attention to that time. Got the ES on the 15-minute time frame at 3:15 a.m. While NQ delivered prices above the previous day's high, ES was showing weakness and did not do the same. This was the key to waiting for the right manipulation to happen below old prices to buy at a discount. So these were the highs from yesterday. Here goes your session break right here. These was the highs from yesterday. The ES didn't deliver prices above the highs. So not only did the Asian session low not get breached, like we didn't deliver prices underneath those the Asian session low, we also didn't deliver prices above the previous session's high. So the NQ is just doing everything before the ES. And this is like a big sign of manipulation going on. So here, once price failed to deliver above the previous session highs, like NQ did, and started to sell off, I wasn't interested in buying the market until we traded below Asian session lows. So if we go back real quick to look at this is what happened at 3:15. This candle right here. When that candle happened, and then all of this action right here happened, where it just started to slow down and then sell off. The NQ, which is right here, the NQ already traded above those previous day highs. So I looked at basically as soon as this stuff started happening, I didn't want to sell the market. So selling the market didn't come into my mind. I still wanted to buy the market. Why? Because NQ already traded above those previous session highs. So I wasn't interested in buying the market at all unless we traded below the Asian session low. And that's what we did on this one candle right here. It's a big long wick. It just traded all the way down there, and that's where I got in at. This is just what the 1 minute time frame looks like on the ES. I told you that was a 1 minute candle. That one candle just traded all the way down there. It's like $10 or $12. We went just below the Asian session low, and there was a whole bunch of liquidity and stop orders underneath in this area. I'm gonna zoom out to let you see it, but I bought in this red candle right here, right when prices pulled back, because once prices traded all the way down there, I didn't know if it was gonna stop, so I waited till the next 1 minute candle, and then I waited for one more candle, and then I said I'm gonna buy as soon as they pull back a little bit more, so I bought inside of that candle. So this is what the price run looked like when zoomed out. Discounted prices in Asian session low. All of these prices right here were stop orders that basically the market wanted to trip in, and smart money basically bought all of these orders down here for the people that wanted to sell the market. Smart money bought the market. There's the Asian session low. That's that line I told you. It went just below it just to get all of these people, and that was the Asian session low right there. The rest of these prices was all liquidity pools. They tripped all of those guys into the market, and then they bought all the orders. And I bought down here and I rode it all the way up. But that's all I got for you. I got another. I know I'm gonna have another video for you coming up next week, real early, because I'm on a streak right now and I'm just locked in. So you stay locked in. Stay tuned.